Now let us continue with example number 4. So we have been given an equation minus 3 is less than x minus 2, which is less than or equal to 9 minus 2x, and it has also been given that x belongs to z, that is x belongs to integers. So we have been given two inequalities. So how will you solve it? We'll take one inequality at a time. First we'll take minus 3 is less than x minus 2. We'll solve this inequality. We'll get minus 3 is less than x minus 2. I'll bring minus 2 to that side. So minus 3 plus 2 is less than x, or minus 1 is less than x. So the first solution we got is x is greater than minus 1. Next we'll take these two inequalities. So we have x minus 2 is less than or equal to 9 minus 2x. We'll solve it. We'll bring minus 2x to the left hand side and minus 2 to the right hand side. So x plus 2x is less than or equal to 9 plus 2, or 3x is less than or equal to 11. X is less than or equal to 11 by 3. So we got two solutions, that is it is greater than minus 1, but it is less than or equal to 11 by 3. But students, we have also been given that x belongs to z, that is integer. That means x cannot be a rational number. Not be a rational number means it cannot be in a fraction form. So the solution for this will be 11 by 3. If you take in decimal, it will be 3 point something. Okay, 3.666 something. So what we'll take, if we see, so the solution will be x greater than minus 1, and integer greater than minus 1 is 0, then 1, 2 and 3. Because x is less than 3.6666, so an integer coming just before 3.6 is 3. So the solution set is 0, 1, 2, 3. So when we plot it on a numbered line, so it will be just 0, 1, 2 and 3. We won't be highlighting the digits in between because x belongs to integer. It won't be, the solution set won't include the digits which are between 0 and 1, 1 and 2, 2 and 3 and so on. That's why the solution set will be 0, 1, 2 and 3. Just highlight the digits 0, 1, 2 and 3 and not the line between it. Okay. Let us move to the next question, which is example number 5. I just erased this example. So the next example which is given to us, which is example number 5, minus 1 by 5 is less than equal to 3x by 10 plus 1, which is less than 2 by 5. And along with this we have been given x belongs to real number. Again, real number means it will include all the rational numbers which are between the digits. Okay. So again we'll solve it the same way. We'll take one inequality at a time. So this will be minus 1 by 5 is less than equal to 3x by 10 plus 1. So let us just take LCM. Minus 1 by 5 is less than equal to 3x plus 10 upon 10. We took LCM on the right hand side. Then we cross multiply. This will become minus 10 less than equal to 5, 3x plus 10 minus 10. This will be 15x plus 50 minus 10 minus 50 is less than equal to 50x minus 60 is less than equal to 15x, or minus 4 is less than equal to x when you solve it. So the first solution is x is greater than or equal to minus 4. Let us take another inequality. 3x by 10 plus 1 is less than 2 by 5. Again, let us take LCM. So this will be 3x plus 10 upon 10 is less than 2 by 5. Cross multiply, we'll get 5. 3x plus 10 is less than equal to 20. 15x plus 50 is less than 20. 15x is less than 20 minus 50. 15x is less than minus 30. X is less than minus 2. So what we got over here is the solution set is minus 4 is less than or equal to x is less than minus 2. So the solution set will include, when we put it on numbered line, and since it belongs to R, so it will include the digits which are, or the numbers, rational numbers which are between the digits. So we'll start with -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1. You can even take -5. It will start from -4 because it includes -4. And it will go up to, it will include 3, but it does not include -2. It does not include -2. So on the 2, so -2 we'll just put a circle. We won't shade the circle because -2 is not included. But since x belongs to real number, so we'll also highlight these line because we will be include, because the digits between -4 and -3, -3 and -2. So all those rational numbers which are between these digits are also the solution of the equation, and that is why we'll highlight the line in between. Okay, so this is the solution for -4, which is less than or equal to x, or less than -2. So the solution is -4, -3 and -2. But since it is not including -2, that is why we are not making circle above -2 dark. It is just kept blank. It is just a normal circle because -2 is not included in the solution. Let us move to the next example. Example number 6. Example number 6. We have two parts. Okay. So let us do in fact we have three parts. So what we'll do is we'll do the third part. Okay. So we have been given two inequations and we have to find its solution. Okay. So how we'll do it is we have been given, first is x belongs to 4, 3x minus 2, then we have which is less than or equal to 13, and with this we have been given x belongs to R, real number. Okay, so first we'll found the solution of this inequation I should say. So 4 is less than 3x minus 2, 4 plus 2 is less than 3x, 6 is greater than 3x, 2 is less than x. That is the first solution. And the second, 3x minus 2 is less than or equal to 13. So we have 3x less than or equal to 15, x less than or equal to 5. So the solution that we got on combining these two is, okay, so if we plot it on a number line, what we'll get? But we have to solve another inequation. First inequation is given in this. The second given to us in the same question is minus 2 is less than or equal to 5 plus 7x is less than 40 and x belongs to integer. X belongs to integer. Okay, so again we need to solve it. Minus 2 is less than or equal to 5 plus 7x, minus 2 minus 5 is less than or equal to 7x, minus 7 is less than or equal to 7x, minus 1 is less than or equal to x. And the second we have is 5 plus 7x is less than 40, 7x is less than 40 minus 5, 7x is less than 35, x is less than 5. So here we get minus 2x minus 1 is less than or equal to x is less than 5. Okay, now but the important thing to note down over here is, here x belongs to real number, here x belongs to integer. So we need to find common thing, that is intersection between both the things which are common. Okay, so the solution set, if we find over here, that x will be equal to minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so solution set of this equation will be this. Here we are not written solution set because x belongs to real number. So it will also include the digit between minus 1, it will also include digit between 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 4 and 5. That's why we are not able to write the solution set for this equation in this form. But again, if we compare these two, which digits are common? If you say the final answer for this will be, here x is greater than 2, so it will be 3. The solution final answer will be 3 and it will be 4. The solution final answer will be 3 and 4 because they are common in both the equations. Here we have -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have not included 5 because x is less than 5. It is not equal to 5, it is less than 5. So integer which is less than 5 is 4. So that's why it will be 3 and 4. And here we have bit from 2, real numbers are more than 2 but less than equal to 5. So the final answer will be 3, 4. Okay, with this we move to the next example, example 7 and 8. But students, again be very careful because example 7 and 8 are exactly the same which will be asked in the board exams. So do practice questions like 7 and 8. Okay.